Head over to my channel to check out different bike model playlists with English, Spanish, French, and Chinese subtitles.
Welcome to the only Zontes dedicated maintenance and instructional how-to video channel on YouTube. Zontes videos are designed for factory training and dealer know-how, as bikes these days disassemble in a complex layered manner. So the video you are watching does not mean the bike has flaws. It shows dedication from Zontes to ensure all procedures are met when exporting to the global market. Can you name me any other motorbike manufacturer that provides this level of detail? Please enjoy the video.
ZT703F 开启双闪时，转向灯优先视频展示。在开启双闪的情况下，按左右转向灯时会取消双闪，转向灯优先，关闭转向灯后，双闪正常运行。
If you could please promote my channel on your social platforms, it would be much appreciated, as the channel can only survive with your support. Best regards, Mad Mick.